Happy New Year. You see in 2020, clear vision and empowered to take on a new decade? Or are you like a lot of people, feeling stress, feeling anxious, baggage from your past, or a voice in your head that won't seem to shut up? What if you had the superpower right now to get rid of all that and to feel great, and all it took was your own breath? Goldenair Breathwork is an active, embodied breathing sequence using simple tools that anybody can learn. This is not the breathing you do in yoga class or a sleepy meditation. It'll get you out of your critical brain and into your body. And for many people, their first session is literally mind-blowing.
I feel like a huge load off me.
I feel really good right now.
That was an amazing experience.
It was unbelievable.
It was insane. It feels so good.
Awesome.
Thank you.
I've taught thousands of people this same tool, and I've seen unbelievable transformations. And now for the first time, I'm excited to share it with you and the people you care about so that you can do Goldenair Breathwork at home. I've even made it affordable because I believe that the whole world needs to take a few deep breaths. So click here so that things can begin to click here.